also showed you in my presentation that we also discussed about his other achievements apart from your textbook. We saw what were his achievements. We discussed about battle of Panipat. Of that battle were
Ma'am,
also
your
discussed.
voice is breaking up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Your
but
voice is
I just
breaking.
know I can see here my network is full. So you concentrate on what I'm speaking. Okay, mute your mic and concentrate. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you? Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Sufyan, can you read this para?
yes. Delhi was under Ibrahim Lodi's rule during that time, and Babur ruled in Kabul, Afghanistan. Babur was the ruler of the Mughal dynasty. He attacked Delhi in 1526 CE. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur's well-equipped army, which had cannons in the Battle of Panipat. This brought an end to the Sultanate age and the establishment of the Mughal rule. In the beginning, the Mughals ruled near
Ma'am,
Delhi.
also Gupta is present.
Babur won many battles and his descendants gradually extended the empire. Let us learn about the
Who is present?
incidents that occurred during the Mughal age and know more about the administration and social life of that time.
Yes, absolutely right. We saw about the how Babur ascended the throne of Kabul. Yes, Mary. Then we saw main events of the Mughal dynasty. Yes, no, Mandy, you were present in the class, right? Where we
Yes,
discussed about
ma'am.
the
Yes.
yes, so how where we discussed about the Battle of Panipat, Battle of Khanwa, right? And his son Humayun when he came to the throne. So we will quickly revise Sufyan about this because we had already discussed much about Babur, right?
Yes.
Yes, Sufyan, continue, better.
Yes, ma'am. Main events of the Mughal dynasty. First, Babur 1526 to 1530. In 1527 CE, he fought a battle with the brave Rana Sangna at Kanwa, in which Babur defeated him as his army was equipped with cannons. In 1530, Babur fell ill and died. He fought many battles to lay a strong foundation of the Mughal Empire and gain control over areas near Delhi and Agra. He emerged victorious in most of the battles.
Yes, absolutely right. Understood now. And but he, though he was a very great ruler, but he was, he was not able to enjoy the fruit of his victory. Why? Because because he died at a very small age of very small rules his period, है ना? बहुत छोटे समय में उनका डेथ हो गया because he was ill. Why he died? वो कोई बैटल में नहीं मारे गए थे. He was ill and he died. How he died, बेटा? वो बीमार थे, है ना? He was ill and he died. Yes or no?
Yes.
Absolutely right. चलो. Continue about Humayun.
Ma'am, I read.
Let him complete. Then next turn I'll give you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Humayun 1530 to 1540 and 1505 to 1556. Humayun ascended the throne of Delhi after Babur. According to his father's will, the kingdom was divided and each of his brothers inherited one province. He retained Delhi. Humayun had a struggle. Humayun had to struggle a lot against his brother Kamran and the Afghans. Humayun was defeated twice by Sher Shah and he had to escape for 15 years in order to save his life.
Yes.
During that time, Akbar was born in the palace of the king of Amarkot.
Yes.
Humayun regained Delhi from the successor of Sher Shah.
Yes. So Humayun. See, Humayun was who, beta? Always remember, he was son of Babur. Okay. And when did he come on the throne? He come on the throne after his father's death. है ना? But Sher Shah Suri was he defeated him twice, है ना. But Humayun had to struggle a lot his brother against his brother Kamran and Afghans. क्या था उन ब्रदर्स का नाम? कमरन एंड द अफगान्स. बट हुमायूं वाज डिफीटेड ट्वाइस. हुमायूं कितनी बार डिफीट हुए थे? 2 बार. कितनी बार? 2 बार डिफीट. हाँ, he was defeated twice. By whom? By Shersha, है ना. And he had to escape for 15 years. How many years he had to escape? 15 साल तक उनको हाँ. Why? Because why he had to escape? उनकी जान बचाने के लिए, to save his life, right? Because Shersha had defeated him 2 times. But उस period of time में क्या हुआ? उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ? Akbar was born in the palace of Amarkot. After Shersha, we will discuss about Akbar. Now, Shershah Suri, he established a dynasty known as Sur dynasty. Which dynasty he established? Sur dynasty. Okay. And he was also a great reformer in history. उन्होंने भी बहुत सारे ऐसे काम किए थे जिनकी वजह से वो जाने जाते हैं, है ना. He constructed many things. He won many battles, and he extended his empire from Kabul to Bengal and Malwa. उतना उन्होंने अपना empire भी extend किया था, जिसकी वजह से he is known as a great reformer also. Yes. Yes, Mehendi, can you read Shershah's paragraph?
Ma'am, I read.
Who is it? Sahil?
Yes.
Sahil, you'll read Akbar, okay? Yes, Mehendi, continue. Shershah Suri.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I read. Ma'am, I read.
1540 to 1545. Shershah Suri was an Afghan leader who had progressed on his own. He defeated Humayun twice and therefore established the Sur dynasty in Delhi. After gaining control over Delhi, he won many other important battles. He then extended his empire from Kabul to Bengal and Malwa. He is known as a reformer in history. After Sher Shah, the Mughal dynasty was re-established in Delhi.
Yes. But he had progressed on his own. ओके, वो के फादर हुमायूं के जैसे नहीं आए थे. उन्होंने कैसे किया था? अपना प्रोग्रेस अपने आप किया था, है ना. एंड शेषा
Why was not clear?
बेटा, अगर आप लोग आपका भी अगर आप लोग अपना माइक म्यूट रखोगे तो आप मुझे अच्छे से सुन पाओगे. कैन यू प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक्स? आई चेक माय नेटवर्क फ्रॉम योर. वेट अ मिनट.
ऑन नहीं है.
मैम ब्रेक हो रहा है.
So, yes, now you can listen. Hello, now you can listen, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Gaining control over Delhi, he won many other important battles. And then he extended his empire from Kabul to Bengal and Malwa. Okay, and he's also known as reformer in the history because he brought many changes. And after Shesha, the Mughal dynasty was re-established in Delhi. Now we will see Akbar. अकबर जो थे बेटा, उन वो बहुत अपने हिस्ट्री में he was known as a great अकबर द ग्रेट, राइट. एंड बेटा, अकबर ने फिर भी इतना प्रोग्रेस किया. जब अकबर कब जन्मे थे? जब उनके फादर जो थे हुमायूं, वो शेरशाह सूरी के डिफीट के बाद ही हैड एस्केप राइट इन एट दैट टाइम ही वाज बोर्न राइट एंड बेटा अकबर वाज जस्ट 13 years old खाली 13 साल के थे जब उनके फादर हुमायूं गुजर गए थे he was just 13 years old when his father हुमायूं passed away so इतने इतने वेरी यंग एज में जब वो अकेले हो गए मतलब ही वाज नॉट हैविंग हिज फादर तो ही हैड टू हुमायूं का जो भी था तो उनको अकबर को ध्यान रखना था राइट अकबर हैड टू टेक केयर ऑफ बिकॉज प्रीवियसली व्हाट इट वाज दैट द फादर सन विल बिकम द नेक्स्ट किंग है ना तो एट दैट टाइम एज ही वाज वेरी यंग अकबर बहुत छोटे थे 13 साल
अगेन आपका वॉइस चला गया।
हेलो मैम।
ओके तो उनके एक फेथ मिनिस्टर जिनका नाम बैरम खान था है ना he brought him up as a guardian and took care of the administration on the behalf of अकबर है ना अकबर के behalf पे on the behalf of Akbar he took care about the total administration of Akbar right because he was very small he was very small he was just 13 years old है ना and then Hemu the leader of Sikandar Sur he established his rule over Delhi and Akbar was in Punjab right with the guidance of Bairam Khan Akbar defeated Hemu in the battle of Panipat again in the battle of Panipat Akbar ने हेमू को डिफीट किया ओके हेमू को डिफीट किया कौन सी बैटल में बैटल ऑफ पानीपत पर किसके गाइडेंस के अंडर उनका फेथफुल मिनिस्टर जो था उनके फादर का हेमू का है ना उनके गाइडेंस पे किसके गाइडेंस पे है ना उनके फादर के फेथफुल मिनिस्टर के गाइडेंस में जिनका नाम बैरम खान था ओके पर बेटा क्या हुआ मेहंदी के बैरम खान जो थे फिर वो बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट होने लगे सुफियान बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट होने लगे तो अकबर ने क्या किया फिर अब तो बड़े हो चुके थे सब आ गया था तो उन्होंने क्या किया अकबर ने कि उनके सारे जो भी पावर्स दिए गए थे अकबर के बिहाफ पे वो सारे सीज कर दिए बंद कर दिए और उनको हज के लिए भेज दिया है ना सेंट हिम फॉर अ हज एंड देयर ही वाज किल्ड ऑन द वे टू हज और हज के दौरान उनको मार डाला गया किसको बैरम खान को बिकॉज ही वाज डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑफ अकबर यस अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर यस साहिल रीड बेटा
मैम आई रीड।
who is 1 minute 1 minute Sahil 1 minute Sahil 1 minute who is asking for permission
कासिम।
yes Kasim wait beta I have given chance to Sahil I'll see that you get the next chance okay sir Kasim
Yes, sir. Akbar was just 13 years old when his father Humayun passed away. Akbar was very young and so Bairam Khan, a faithful minister of Humayun, brought him up as a guardian and took care of the administration of Akbar's behalf. He moved the leader of Sikandar Sur established the rule over Delhi when Akbar was in Punjab. With the guardians of Bairam Khan, Akbar defeated Hemu in the Battle of Punjab, Panipat. Since Bairam Khan became more independent, Akbar seized away all his powers and sent him for Hajj. He was killed on the way to Hajj. Akbar enlisted Chirioda at Ranthambore in Rajasthan.
बस 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 वेट बेटा वेट यहाँ तक करते हैं पहले अकबर के बारे में एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर हु वाज बैरम खान
He was
चलो आंसर माय क्वेश्चंस हु वाज बैरम खान बॉयज हु वाज बैरम खान
Bairam Khan was the administrator of, of Humayun.
Yes, he was the guardian. Yes, he was a guardian and a faithful minister of Humayun. हुमायूं कौन थे? हुमायूं was who? सुफियान. हुमायूं कौन थे?
Humayun was the son of Babur and father of Akbar.
Yes, Sahil, absolutely right. Absolutely right. And when did he pass away? When Akbar was how many years old?
13 years.
Yes. So, as he was very small, right, Sahil? कासिम, वो
Yes.
बहुत छोटे थे, है ना? तो उनको बड़ा करने की जिम्मेदारी किसने ली? एज अ गार्डियन?
Bairam Khan.
Yes, absolutely right. Bairam Khan. Bairam Khan was? Bairam Khan कौन थे?
The
No one knows?
administrator of Humayun.
Faithful minister, administrator of Humayuni, faithful minister of Humayun. Okay. Yes. And he defeated Akbar defeated Hemu in the battle of Panipat, right? With the guidance of that Bairam Khan only, right? So this way, when when Akbar, when this Bairam Khan, he tried to
And your
conquer
voice is
a lot
cutting.
of things of uh, cutting. Okay, how cutting?
No, ma'am, your voice is
This
not
way.
cutting.
Akbar,
Your voice is clear.
this
Miss, your voice
way,
is clear.
Akbar was
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
yes. It is clear now.
Sahil,
Okay, chalo read this much.
Sahil,
Read this much.
Sahil कम होगा.
कासिम रीड करो बेटा. हेमू द लीडर ऑफ. यहाँ से रीड करो. कासिम कासिम.
Yes. Hemu, the leader of Sikandar Sur, established his rule over Delhi when Akbar was in Punjab. With the guidance of Bairam Khan, Akbar defeated Hemu in the Battle of Panipat. Since Bairam Khan became more independent, Akbar sized away all his powers and sent him to Hajj.
Sized away
He
means
was killed
seized
on the
away.
way to Hajj.
Seized away.
So,
થઈ જશે અંદર.
Akbar annexed Chittor of Ranthambore in the battle against Rana Pratap.
સંઘા.
Frequent battles were fought between them. Akbar Empire expanded during the period between 1585 1605 CE. He is annexed Khandar, Kashmir, and Kabul established his rule over Khandish Ahmadnagar in the south. There was a lot of discovery.
અહેમદનગર.
Ahmadnagar in the south. There was a lot of disorder during the last days of Akbar's rule as Prince Salim.
Yes. Continue.
Ma'am, नीचे करो वापस.
Continue बेटा.
As Prince Salim revolted.
Okay.
चलो, revolt.
Hmm.
As Prince. पैराग्राफ नहीं दिख रहा वो. Ma'am,
Yes. What happened बेटा?
वो वाला पैराग्राफ नहीं दिख रहा,
हाँ बोलो.
पीछे वाला पैराग्राफ नहीं.
ओके सॉरी बेटा, स्क्रॉल हो गया था. बोलो.
As Prince Salim revolted later on, Salim adopted the name Jahangir and ascended the
Jahangir.
We have already gathered a lot of information about the different rulers of Mughal dynasty like Babur, Humayun, Akbar and Sher Shah Suri of the Sur dynasty. Now the basis of this let us know about the administration society, art and architecture.
Architecture. Okay. Art and
Architecture.
architecture. Okay, chalo. Very good, chalo. So this way we will see about 1 minute, beta. So we have already gathered a lot of information about
Your voice is not clear. And it is
Yes, ma'am.
short.
the
And your
different
voice is
rules of
gone.
Mughal dynasty, right? But still we will discuss. Okay, I'll check my. Yes. Hello, can you listen now? Hello,
Yes.
hello, boys, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way, beta,
Yes.
when Bayram Khan became more in when Bayram Khan became more independent, what did he become, beta? When he became more independent, so what happened, beta? When Bayram Khan became more independent, so what happened, beta? That Humayun, है ना? He was, sorry, not Humayun, but Akbar. He seized away all his powers and sent him for Hajj. कहाँ पे भेजा उनको? हज के लिए, यात्रा के लिए. और फिर after sending him there on the way, he was killed, है ना? He was killed, and Akbar annexed, and after that Akbar annexed Chittor and Bayram Khan ko, right? Then after that, beta, Akbar, because he had seized all his because he was becoming more independent, है ना? अभी
अकबर ने
तो
बैरम खान को मार डाला.
हाँ. Then that is why because he was ruling, trying to rule a lot, है ना? So he was killed, right? Then beta, what happened? Akbar annexed Ranthambore and Chittor in the battle against Rana Pratap. किनके अगेंस्ट बैटल थी? राणा प्रताप के अगेंस्ट. एंड फ्रीक्वेंट बैटल्स वेर फॉट बिटवीन देम. महाराणा प्रताप और अकबर के बीच में बहुत सारी बैटल्स फॉट हुई थी, है ना? सो दिस वाज आल्सो द रीजन. Okay, and Akbar's empire expanded. What did it happen, beta? It expanded expanded during the period between 1585 to 1605 CE. Where did it expand, beta? 1585 to 1605 CE. Okay, and he annexed Kandahar, Kashmir, and Kabul. What did he do, beta? He annexed Kandahar, Kashmir, and Kabul, and established his Ahmednagar in the south. And there was what, beta? There was a lot of disorder. What was it, beta? There was a lot of disorder. Why? During the last days of Akbar's rule, as Prince Salim revolted, right? Prince Salim जो थे, he was also Prince Salim जो थे, वो जहांगीर के नाम से भी पहचाने जाते थे, because उन्होंने जहांगीर नाम अडॉप्ट किया था, right? And so later on, Salim adopted the name Jahangir, Yes. Later on, the name Jahangir was adopted by Prince Salim. About Akbar. Okay. Yes. Can you see my screen, Mehendi? Can you read this better? Akbar part.
Yes, ma'am, we can see your screen.
Yes. Mehendi is present or he has left?
Ma'am, who?
Mehendi. Sufyan,
Yes,
will you like to read
Yes,
or
ma'am.
yes, beta? Can you
Yes,
read?
ma'am. I
Yes. Okay. Can you
go ahead.
revise? Can you revise about Akbar's
Yes,
part, beta?
yes, ma'am. Akbar, 1556 to 1605. Akbar was just 13 years old when his father Humayun passed away. Akbar was very young, and so Behram Khan, a faithful minister of Humayun, brought him up as a guardian and took care of the administration on Akbar's behalf. Himu, the leader of Sikandar Sur, established his rule over Delhi when Akbar was in Punjab. With the guidance of Behram Khan, Akbar defeated Himu in the Battle of Panipat. Since Behram Khan became more independent, Akbar seized away all the powers and sent him for Hajj. He was killed on the way to Hajj. Akbar annexed Chittor and Ranthambore in the battle against Rana Pratap. Frequent battles were fought between them. Akbar's empire expanded during the period between 1585 1605 CE. He annexed Kandahar, Kashmir, and Kabul and established his rule over Khandesh, Ahmednagar in the south. There was a lot of disorder during the last days of Akbar's rule as Prince Salim revolted. Later on, Salim adopted the name Jahangir and ascended the throne. We have already gathered a lot of information about the different rulers of the Mughal dynasty like Babur, Humayun, Akbar, and Suri. Of the four dynasties. Now, on the basis of his land, let us know about the administration, society, art, and architecture. Architecture.
Yes. So by this we have gathered a lot of information, right, Mendi, about the different rulers of Mughal dynasty. Right, we saw about Akbar, बाबर, इब्राहिम लोडी से हमने स्टार्ट किया था. इब्राहिम लोडी, Babur, Humayun, Akbar, and Shershah Suri of the Sur dynasty, right? Now we will see on the basis of this what type of art and architecture were constructed during the Mughal dynasty. Okay, now see. They constructed traditions of inheritance and they constructed a lot of monuments also. That monuments also we will see in the upcoming lessons. Okay, the highway, Chittor's battle, Chittor tale of bravery we will see. All this we are going to see in this lesson ahead. Okay, now the relation of Mughals. How was the relation of Mughals with the other rulers? Sufyan, are you there, beta? Sufyan,
Yes.
Sufyan, yes. Read this beta. Relations of Mughals with other rulers.
ma'am, I read
Yes, read beta, Sahil.
relations of Mughals with other rulers. When Humayun has escaped Vaywan, the Hindu rulers gave him shelter. Therefore, the culture of reflected in the upbringing of Akbar. He took the help of the Hindu rulers with the ascended the throne. He knew that he would not be able to rule in India if he ignored the Rajput rulers. Therefore, The maintained good relation with the Rajput rulers and won their confidence. The rulers who did not accept his authority had to face him. The rulers of Sisodia Rajput did not accept his rule and had many uncomfort confrontations with him.
See relations of the Mughals with other rulers. When Humayun escaped, right? We know very well that he was defeated twice by Shesha Suri, right? So at that time, even the Hindu rulers gave him the shelter. किन्होंने उनको सहारा दिया था बेटा? हिंदू रूलर्स जो थे उन्होंने भी हुमायूं को सहारा दिया था, आश्रय दिया था, है ना, रहने के लिए. तो therefore their culture was reflected in the upbringing of Akbar. So अकबर के जो कल्चर में हुमायूं का हिंदू रूलर्स के साथ रहे थे, इसलिए उनका कल्चर भी अकबर में था, है ना, अपब्रिंगिंग में था. So he took the help of Hindu rulers when he ascended the throne, right? He knew that he will not be able to rule in India if he ignored the Rajput rulers. अगर राजपूत रूलर्स को इग्नोर किया, then he won't be able to rule over the throne, right? In India पे वो रूल नहीं कर पाएंगे. Therefore he maintained good relations. तो उन्होंने क्या किया बेटा? Good relations maintain किए with Rajput rulers, and with that he won their confidence. और उनके साथ साथ उनका confidence भी उन्होंने win कर लिया, right? Rajput rulers का. So the rulers who did not accept his authority had to face him. Now the rulers of Sisodia Rajputs did not accept his rule, and many confirmations with him. मतलब कि उनको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया था और उनके साथ बहुत सारे झगड़े हुए थे, राइट? सो दिस इज द वे हाउ द रिलेशंस ऑफ मुगल्स with the other rulers were developed. Understood till here, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
If you understood? Yes.
Yes.
Now we will see tradition of inheritance. Yes, Sufyan, read beta. Sufyan,
Talk.
hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who is it? Sanraj, can you revise this? Read this paragraph. Sanraj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read beta tradition of inheritance. Can you listen me or not?
Yes, ma'am. कोई जवाब
Yes,
नहीं दे रहा है.
Sahil, you read beta.
Okay, ma'am. Tradition of inheritance. The king was responsible for appointing the successor of the kingdom, and it would usually be the oldest son. During the Mughal rule, all the sons would get an equal share of the empire. This kind of hereditary was implemented during Humayun's reign. After that, rulers conspired against each other for the throne. Brothers will quarrel with one another for the throne, and whoever won ascended the throne of Delhi.
Yes, so tradition of inheritance. From here, we will see till Akbar's religious meet and administrative system. Okay, but I guess in the next class. Till here, everyone has everything is clear or not?
Clear.
Yes.
And Mohammed, you were present. You didn't reply anytime.